DoorDash driver sign up tutorial. If you want to sign up for DoorDash driver account and you want to apply as a driver, it's rather quite simple. So what we do is, first of all, you can have to download the Dasher application. The Dasher application is the one you want to use if you want to apply for DoorDash driving. So once you download the Dasher application, and these are the options that you will see. So what we do is we select the option called Let's Dash and then tap on it. Now, if you already have an account, you can of course go ahead and then log into your respective account. But if you don't, then you can simply start with your phone number. Then when you tap on continue, you'll find other options. So you'll have to select that you want to drive and that you were new. You must have your vehicle license. You must own a vehicle as well. And once you've done that and you filled out the form, you'll be able to sign up as a DoorDash driver. So this is pretty much the way on how you can sign up as a DoorDash driver. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.